Hey everybody, it's Janice with Creating Through Chaos, and today we're going to make a Dollar Tree Snowman gumball machine. So I grabbed one of the little plastic gumball machines at Dollar Tree. They were in with the Christmas stuff. Some fabric for a scarf, some acrylic paints in white, black, and orange, and some Mod Podge. I ended up using Sparkle Mod Podge instead of the gloss one. So I took the gumballs out of the inside of the gumball machine, and I just put a few light coats of white acrylic paint all over the globe. And I used a very, very soft bristled brush to do this. And I just kept adding coats until it was fully covered, allowing it to dry in between coats. You can use chalk paint. I chose to use acrylic paint. I like the way that it goes on better, but you're more than welcome to use white chalk paint if that's your preference. Once all of my coats of paint were dry, I took a really thin liner brush and I started drawing on the snowman's facial features. So I drew on 2 eyes, his nose, and his mouth. And how cute is he turning out already? So I added a couple of lines for his eyebrows. And then I'm going to take some pink acrylic paint and just dab some pink onto his cheeks. I hadn't shown that at the beginning. I wasn't sure if I was going to use it, but I thought that he really needed it. So I added some pink to his cheeks, just dabbing, dry brushing some pink paint on. And then I'm going to take the liner brush and I'm going to put a line on each one of his eyes and then a dot with the back side of my paintbrush for his pupils. And once everything was dry, I added a coat of the Sparkle Mod Podge, which has like a little bit of glitter in it. You could use Glamour Dust if you want. You could not use the sparkles at all and just use regular Mod Podge. Just make sure everything is dry before you put it on. And once it was totally dry, I popped the top back on. You could put the gumballs back in if you choose to. I didn't because it's going to be used as a decoration and I'm not going to give it to anyone. And then I'm going to take my fabric and just tie his little scarf around his neck. And that is it. How super cute and easy is this? I think it turned out adorable. And it would make a great gift for someone, or you could use it as decor in your tiered tray or just sitting on a shelf. It's totally up to you. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to spread the chaos.